So today we have a DJI Mavic 3E. This is the enterprise class drone from DJI, and it is compatible with the Polaris RTK network. This allows you to achieve centimeter level accuracy on your drone for precision photogrammetry applications. In order to use RTK with the DJI M3E, you need the add-on RTK module. To install the module, you simply open the accessory port, and then you install the module into the receiver, carefully aligning the connector and then tightening the screws. Once you've installed the module, turn on your drone as normal. And we're ready to set it up for RTK. So on the controller, in order to configure our drone with the Polaris RTK service, we need to first go into the camera view. We'll get a pre-flight check, but we're not going to fly now, so we can go ahead and close that. To configure RTK, we hit the three dots in the top right, and then we go into the RTK menu. Now, this menu will only be available after you've installed your RTK module, so make sure that you go ahead and do that. Under the RTK menu, you'll want to select Custom Network RTK, and then you'll see a bunch of fields to configure your RTK service. For point 1, the ntrip host is going to be polaris.point1nav.com. If you're in the EU, make sure you use polaris-eu.point1nav.com. The port will be 2101, and then your username and password will be available on the Point 1 website. Under the mount point, you want to make sure that you have Polaris as your mount point. When that's done, you can hit save, and you'll see that it'll save the connection. Almost immediately, you'll notice below the status that indicates what the current RTK connection quality is. If you're outside, your positioning should say fix. This indicates that it has centimeter level accurate GPS and that it's correctly using the Polaris RTK network. Once we close this menu, we now notice that the GPS icon in the top right is showing RTK with 21 satellites in view. And now we can fly knowing that we have centimeter accurate location on all of the images taken by the drone. Happy flying.